simple love story. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emma. She lived in a small town and worked in a cozy bookstore. Every day, she saw the same people, until one day, a man named Jack walked into the shop. He was kind, polite, and loved books as much as Emma did. Jack visited the bookstore every week, and over time, he and Emma started talking about their favorite books. Emma always felt so happy when Jack was around. She loved how he smiled, how his eyes lit up when he talked about something he loved. One afternoon, after months of talking, Jack nervously asked, "Emma, would you like to go to the park with me?" Emma's heart raced. "Yes," she replied, a little too quickly, and they both laughed. They spent the afternoon walking and talking in the sunshine. Jack told Emma stories about his travels. He had been to so many places. Emma couldn't believe how adventurous he was. "Wow," she said, "you've been to Paris. That's my dream." As the days passed, they spent more and more time together. They went on walks, shared coffee, and exchanged their favorite books. Emma started to wonder, could this be love? One evening, as they watched the sunset, Jack took a deep breath and with his heart pounding said, "Emma, I think I've fallen in love with you." Emma's eyes widened. She felt a surge of happiness she couldn't describe. "Oh, Jack," she exclaimed, "I love you too." From that day on, they were inseparable. They weren't just in love. They were best friends, partners, and they knew they had found something truly special. The end.